Today we're going to draw an ocelot from Minecraft, as you see here. Minecraft is a really popular game and everything is made out of cubes. We will need, for an ocelot, a yellow, a brown, and a light or dark green. I'm going to use a light green. So we draw its head first. 2 parallel sides. 2 sides here. I'm going to draw it 2D. First we need to draw the eyes and then the other parts. Or if we don't draw the eyes, then we will have a problem with all the other things. And we also need black for all the eyes or nose outline. I'm going with light green. Like that. We get the black after. Do not touch the green with the yellow, otherwise the yellow will be dirty. Be really close to it, but so don't touch it. Like that. Then color in the face and do the outline. Now we can color in the face. Make roughly square here. And then color over it, because that will be the nose. You can make it a tiny bit bigger, like that. We'll color it brown after. Be careful not to go into green. Make the nose straighter. And color the last part in. Now we do the ears. 1 cubic, a half cube here, and 1 here. Actually, cubes are a lot bigger because ocelots are even smaller than 1 cube. Draw 2 lines here. We get the brown. Draw a square inside what we left and then color it in. It's his nose. Then we get the black and outline the eyes. Now we're done with the eyes, nose, and his head. That's the yellow. Now we are only using the yellow. Draw his feet like 1 here, and the other will go here. His body is there. Then his legs. If they're too big or too small, you can easily rip it out and change it. His tail. Done. We just need to color it. If you don't have whiteboard markers, you can do it on a piece of paper with a pencil and then color it in. Or if you don't have the right colors, just use the basic ones if you can. Here we go. We already did his legs and half of his body. You just need to do 2 legs and a tail. Then we just need to do the outline to make it stand out because some parts we cannot see clearly. We can do it with a black or I'm going to do it with a brown because black will be too dark. Now it stands up. Even if you use a darker shade or something like that, make sure you don't wipe the drawing with your hand. We're done. Thank you for watching. I think that you will make a beautiful drawing and you can share it with me. Take a photo of your drawing and post it on any social media like YouTube, Facebook, or any other, or ask your parents to post it. Add the hashtag Join with Alisa. I hope to see and comment all of your drawings. And I want to add, do you know an interesting fact about ocelots and cats? Creepers are scared of them. So if in survival, if you meet a creeper and there's lots of cats around, the creepers will run away. Thank you for watching. Bye! Meet you next time.